Want to make your crypto work for you instead of just sitting in your wallet? Let's talk about one of the most powerful tools in decentralized finance, liquidity tools. Ready to level up your DeFi game? Subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay ahead of the curve. Here's what you'll get. Expert insights into DeFi. A front row seat to see what our AI-powered Sparkies can do for you. Be the first to know about new Sparkies, exclusive promos, NFT drops, and so much more. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell now and join the Sparky revolution. These hidden gems can help you generate passive income like a boss, if you know how to use them wisely. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll see why liquidity pools might just be your secret weapon in the DeFi world. So, what exactly are liquidity pools? Think of them as the backbone of decentralized exchanges, DEXs. Here's how they work. You provide tokens to a pool, and in return, you earn a share of the fees every time someone trades using that pool. It's like owning a slice of the exchange itself. For example, let's say you contribute ETH and USDC to a liquidity pool. Every time someone swaps ETH for USDC, or vice versa, on that exchange, you earn a small fee. Over time, those fees can add up, creating a steady stream of passive income. But it's not just about the money. By participating in liquidity pools, you're also helping to power the DeFi ecosystem, ensuring there's enough liquidity for trades to happen smoothly. It's a win-win for you and the community. Now here's the catch. Not all liquidity pools are created equal. Some offer sky-high returns, but come with significant risks, like impermanent loss. Others might have low trading volume, meaning your earnings could be minimal. So how do you choose the right pool? That's where SparkyFi.ai comes in. Our AI Sparkies are designed to take the guesswork out of liquidity pooling. They analyze key factors like fee APR, how much you can earn in fees, impermanent loss, risk, the potential downside of price fluctuations in the tokens you've provided, trading volume. Pools with higher activity often generate more fees. With this data, our Sparkies help you identify pools that align with your goals and risk tolerance. Whether you're looking for high returns, low risk, or a balance of both, we've got you covered. Liquidity pools aren't just a way to earn passive income. They're a way to make your crypto work smarter. Instead of just hodling and hoping for price appreciation, you can actively grow your portfolio by participating in the DeFi economy. And the best part? You don't have to be a DeFi expert to get started. With the right tools and guidance, anyone can tap into the power of liquidity pools. Ready to unlock the full potential of your crypto? Don't just let it sit there. Put it to work. Join the waitlist at waitlist.SparkyFi.ai and let's explore the best liquidity pools together. Heads up. Investing in DeFi comes with significant risks, including the possibility of losing your entire investment. The insights shared on this channel are purely for educational and entertainment purposes. That said, my fellow DeFi pioneers, always do your research, stay sharp, and proceed with caution.